Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Well, I almost said I don't know what's in here, but I think I'm 50-50 on it. We'll see. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits and some other stuff that you're not seeing here, there is, of course, a link down in the description. I invite you to check it out. The support would mean the world to me. All right. And follow me on Instagram. Let's go ahead and get into this package here. Make my incision. The sharpening of the scalpel is coming. I promise. I promise. It is on its way. I just have to motivate. Okay. Oh, yeah, I think I know what this is. So this is a note. We got to make sure. And well, I always say that I'm like trying to keep it a secret, and then I forget that you guys can see the thumbnail. Let's take a look here. Thank you so much for your email. That makes it much easier to contact you when it's time to come back. I appreciate that so much. So this was sent by a gentleman named Aaron. And I'm sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Let's take a look real quick, because this is it's a little bit heavy. This is an interesting one. It kind of surprised a lot of people. Yeah. So this is a PM2, another PM2. You guys know I like to talk about sprints on this channel, especially if they're odd variants. So Flytanium forever has done, golly, that's a chunky PM2. Flytanium has done copper scales in the past. This is actually done by Spyderco. This is a Rex 45 Sprint, so another knife now. We've got 3 knives here in Rex 45. The weird thing is that it's got something unique going on, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, check out the internals there. So there's a compression lock, but it's not the same as on the inside. Like, for example, this has the steel recessed liner all the way through. Gosh darn it. It's like my phone does not want to focus on this whenever I put the light. There we go. You can see the steel liners all the way through. Now on this copper one, it doesn't have the steel liner at all. It's just copper, but it's been milled. That's interesting. And then you can see the compression lock right there. And then how does that differ from this one on the compression lock side? Let me see in there. Mine's got a backspacer. Yeah, the compression lock side goes all the way through. So this is unique for the PM2 and the compression lock. That's interesting. Very, very interesting. All right, so this is pretty cool. It'll be fun to talk about. These are gone now, so you know, I'll be linking just in case. You know, I still link the original listing for this so that number one, you guys can go look at it, and number two, on the off chance that it does come back, you know, depending on when you're watching this, there's a small chance I suppose you could snag it. But yeah, mainly just so you guys can go look at the original listing, and then I'll also link Spyderco PM2 knives and the variants in general that are available right now, and Spyderco knives in general as well, so you guys can go check all of that stuff out. Aaron, thanks so much for letting me take a look at this, guys. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. We will do an overview on this knife. I've reviewed the PM2 into the ground, so there won't be a full review, but I'll give you guys a full close look at this knife and talk about it a little bit here down the road. That's going to be pretty much it today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.